This is my 3 personal favorite push-up variations for packing on a little muscle. Cobra Kai style push-ups on your knuckles. This is great for building the strength in the bones of the knuckle, the wrist, and developing the forearms. But just a hard floor can be pretty tough on people at first, so make sure you either put some padding down for those knuckles or even start with boxing gloves on. T push-ups are super underrated, in my opinion. To get started, of course, you have to be able to do a push-up, but then at the top, just up, reach, help build that stability in the shoulder, and then as you get better at it, pick this other hand up as you're coming up, and it helps develop strength and power, pushing off one hand on the way up. Final variation, good old-fashioned ring or TRX push-ups. You don't even have to start this low. You can adjust them to your height as needed for your level, and you get that little extra twist at the top to help develop the pec just that little bit more. Hey, make sure you do all the things, like, subscribe, follow for more.